Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a MetaMask wallet. First, you will need to install the MetaMask browser extension. Visit the official MetaMask website and select your preferred browser, like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. It is crucial to download the extension only from the official source to ensure security and avoid fraudulent versions. This initial step is vital for protecting your digital assets. Once the extension is installed, click on the MetaMask icon and select Create a new wallet. You will then be prompted to agree to the terms of use. Please read them carefully. Next, you must create a robust password. This password will be used to unlock your wallet on your device, so make it memorable yet complex, containing a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The most critical step is securing your secret recovery phrase, also known as your seed phrase. This is a 12-word sequence that grants full access to your funds. Write it down on paper and store it in a safe, private place. Never share it with anyone or store it online. You will then be asked to confirm the phrase by re-entering the words in the correct order to ensure you have recorded it accurately. Congratulations, your MetaMask wallet is now set up. To access it, simply enter the password you created earlier. Your public wallet address, which begins with 0x, will be visible at the top of the interface. This is what you share to receive funds. You can now explore the wallet's features, send and receive various cryptocurrencies, and interact with decentralized applications securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.